Jody's gonna chef up breakfast for us this morning. And then it's a beach day today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the weather is so perfect. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, that was a bad shot. But yeah, so sausages are frying. Jody's gonna make some eggs. And yeah, see you guys later. Hi guys, so we're getting ready to go to the beach, and this is the swimsuit for the day. I styled it with some necklaces, ignore my sweat mustache, and some sunglasses, and yeah. So I'll let you know when we're at the beach. Hi guys, so we're back at the house. Beach was nice, but it started to look a bit overcast. So we're back. We're gonna chill out for a bit, and then we're gonna go to Miss T's, in Ochi for lunch today. And then yeah, we'll probably come back after lunch and then go back to the pool. So yeah, I'll update you guys. Hi guys, so we took a nap, and now we're gonna go to Miss T's for lunch in Ochi. So this is the fit. I hope you guys can see it. Bag, very multi-purpose. Sunnies, earrings. Yeah, this is the fit. So we'll let you know what we get and how it is. Jody. Nice. Bye guys. Alright guys, the food is here. I got a veggie wrap with sweet potato fries, and Jody got jerk chicken wrap, and regular fries, which are style. So we'll let you know how it is. Hi guys, so we're leaving Miss T's now. Food was really good. Jody got a soup also, and it smelled really good. Was it good?
Yeah, it was nice. Really nice.
Yeah. So we're gonna head back to the house and get changed, and then we're gonna go and chill by the pool. So see you guys later. Alright guys, heading to the pool now. Alright, guys, leaving the pool. Heading back to the house now. Gonna get a nice warm shower. Probably have some leftovers. Oh, we're having stir fry ramen.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, stir fry ramen. Maybe some wine. Yes. Another movie. Yes. Okay. Alright, update. Maybe I'll update you. Maybe not. Bye. Alright. Movie is done. Can I give it a 8 out of 10?
What? 10 out of 10?
Nah, 8 out of 10. Anyways, guys, going to bed soon probably. So, see you next time. Bye.